Hi there, my name is Martin Mabifa and you're welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching again. And if this is your first time, I give the hottest gist in the technology and startup space. So subscribe and join the community. Now for the top headlines. Elon Musk says go F yourself to advertisers leaving X. European consumer groups band together to fight Meta. Robinhood brings its stock trading platform to the UK, its first international market. Founder of spyware maker hacking team arrested for attempted murder. Smartphone sales to rebound on AI gains, Morgan Stanley says. Elon Musk responded defiantly to advertisers who paused spending on X after he endorsed an anti-Semitic conspiracy theory. During the Huboo conference, Musk said to go F yourself if someone tried to blackmail him with advertising. He expressed disdain for advertisers and warned them that their boycott could kill the company, vowing to document it in detail. Musk has a history of legal threats against organizations like Media Matters and the Anti-Defamation League, blaming them for X's strained relationship with advertisers. Recent reports highlight X's failure to moderate hate speech on its platform, including anti-Semitic content, and companies like Apple and IBM appearing next to posts praising Nazi ideology. X responded by filing a lawsuit against Media Matters. Consumer groups in the European Union are collectively filing complaints against Meta, following a privacy complaint lodged against the company. Almost 20 consumer protection organizations argue that Meta's strategy of pushing users into agreeing to tracking for ad targeting or paying a subscription fee is unfair and violates EU consumer protection law. The European Consumer Organization (BEUC) and 18 member organizations across EU member states are leading the complaints, alleging unfair, deceptive, and aggressive practices. They also object to the pay or content model, which they deem illegal, and raise data protection concerns already addressed in a complaint to the Austrian Data Protection Authority. BEUC urges EU consumer protection authorities to intervene and halt Meta's practices. Robinhood has officially launched in the UK, offering early access to its trading app for those on the wait list and planning a full rollout in early 2024. The California-based company had initially prepared for a UK launch 5 years ago, but abruptly halted its plans in 2020 without a detailed explanation. Robinhood faced challenges and controversies in the US, including allegations of misleading customers and gamification strategies. Despite these issues, the platform went public in 2021 and now claims 23 million users. The UK launch positions Robinhood against local players like Lightyear and Freetrade in a competitive market. PDD, the company behind the shopping app Temu, has surpassed Alibaba in market capitalization, marking a significant shift in China's e-commerce landscape. PDD's market value surged to over $188 billion after reporting a doubling in revenue year over year. This development highlights Alibaba's challenges, which began with founder Jack Ma's public criticism of Chinese regulation in late 2020, leading to a series of government crackdowns on the tech industry. Meanwhile, PDD's Temu app has become a formidable rival to Alibaba's Taobao, achieving success with its aggressive marketing strategy and expansion into 40 markets. Temu's rise has drawn attention from US authorities, with concerns raised about trade practices, safety, and intellectual property rights. NomuPay, a payment startup emerging from the remnants of Wirecard, has acquired Total Processing, a Manchester-based startup specializing in payment processing solutions. The deal, valued at around $35 million, bringing NomuPay's total company worth to $135 million. NomuPay, based in Dublin, previously raised $53.6 million in funding, challenging an inaccurate PitchBook estimate of its value. Total Processing, founded in 2015, focuses on recurring payments, risk management, PCI compliance, and payment integrations. NomuPay aims to broaden its services by leveraging total processing technology stack and expanding into markets such as Hong Kong and Southeast Asia. David Vincenzetti, founder of the now defunct spyware company Hacking Team, was arrested after allegedly stabbing and attempting to murder a relative. The arrest followed a call from Vincenzetti's cousin, who was unable to reach his wife visiting him. Vincenzetti, reportedly dealing with psychological issues, allegedly stabbed the woman, who was found unconscious by the police. During his court appearance, Vincenzetti focused on work and his companies, prompting the judge to order an examination of his mental health. Hacking Team, once a major spyware player, faced controversy and a data breach in 2015 that led to its decline. Biblio, a European ebook platform, has been building an open alternative to tech giants Amazon and Rakuten, focusing on collaboration with small and big chain bookstores. Biblio partners with bookstores in France, Belgium, and Spain, handling ebook transactions on their behalf while ensuring the customer remains the bookstore's customer. The company guarantees a significant portion of sales generated by its ecosystem goes to the bookseller, differentiating itself from competitors like Kobo. Biblio also sells ebook readers, partnering with Pocketbook to provide dedicated devices for customers to download and read their books. Huboo, a UK-based e-commerce fulfillment startup, has raised £29 million, approximately $36.6 million in funding from existing investors, including Ada Ventures and Mars. The company offers an alternative to Amazon's Fulfilled by Amazon FBA service, providing warehousing and shipping solutions for sellers on platforms like eBay and Shopify. Huboo has raised a total of £122 million, about $154 million in equity. The funding comes amid increased demand for e-commerce fulfillment services as online shopping continues to grow. Huboo integrates with various sales platforms and operates warehouses across Europe. Kenyan climate tech startup Amini has secured $4 million in a seed funding round led by Salesforce Ventures and the Female Founders Fund. The platform aggregates environmental data in Africa, combining satellite data with other data sets for insights into biodiversity, soil health, crop health, and farming practices. Amini uses artificial intelligence and space technologies to make environmental data accessible, aiding decision-making and transparency in supply chains. The startup, which previously raised $2 million in a pre-seed round this year, plans to empower farmers with data to transform global food systems and enhance economic inclusion. Amini's clients include enterprises in agriculture and insurance, with plans to target food and beverage companies and consumer packaged goods producers. Fidelity National Financial (FNF) has reported to the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission that it has regained control of its systems after a cybersecurity incident on November 21st. The incident had temporarily halted the activities of FNF and its subsidiaries, causing confusion among those involved in real estate transactions. FNF is a major player in real estate transactions, providing title insurance and other services. The incident was claimed by the ransomware group ALPHV, which threatened to release data unless a ransom was paid. While FNF has stated that it is restoring normal operations, it has not clarified whether a ransom was paid. Goldman Sachs and Morgan Stanley project a rebound in smartphone sales, defying predictions of a prolonged slump in the mobile sector. Morgan Stanley predicts a nearly 4% rebound in global smartphone shipments in 2024 and 4.4% in 2015, driven by on-device AI capabilities. Smartphone makers like Apple, Vivo, Xiaomi, and Samsung are bullish on AI, with on-device AI features contributing to enhanced photography and speech recognition. Goldman Sachs estimates a 5% decline in global smartphone volumes in 2023, but anticipates a 3% rise in 2024 and a further 5% increase in 2025, fueled by the new product launches. Tesla has revealed details about the final production version of the Cybertruck electric pickup. The high-end model known as the Cyberbeast is estimated to have a range of 320 miles on a single charge. It weighs 6,843 pounds, making it lighter than the Ford F-150 Lightning Platinum and Rivian RT1. The Cyberbeast has a maximum towing capacity of 11,000 pounds, tying with Rivian, but falling short of Ford's 15,900 pounds. The Cybertruck's length is 223.7 inches, sitting between Ford's longer model and Rivian's shorter one, and it is 70.5 inches tall. The former program of Blue Origin BE-4 rocket engines, Craig Stoker, has filed a lawsuit against the company alleging whistleblower retaliation after he had raised concerns about safety issues. Stoker claimed that the then CEO Bob Smith's behavior caused employees to violate safety procedures to meet deadlines, creating a hostile work environment. Stoker filed a formal complaint against Smith, citing concerns about the impact on safety and quality. Despite an internal investigation, Blue Origin's HR concluded that Smith did not create a hostile work environment. Stoker was terminated 7 months after raising his initial safety concern, and he alleges that Smith spearheaded his termination. Optimism, a layer 2 blockchain for Ethereum, is addressing scalability, speed, and cost issues as it aims to enhance the overall Ethereum ecosystem. CEO Jin Wang noted that the company has been working on solving these problems since 2017. Optimism focuses on scaling and speeding up Ethereum transactions while reducing the cost. The platform allows users to interact with Ethereum's chain at a significantly lower cost through its network and facilitates the faster, scalable development of decentralized applications for developers. Optimism aims to stay true to Ethereum's original decentralization values while scaling the platform. Now that's it for the gist today. Do well to like, share, subscribe, and let me know what you think in the comment section. See you soon.